Hi, welcome to Sudarshanam Yoga. I am Yogacharya Shishupalan, faculty member, Department of Swasthavritta and Yoga, Srinarayana Institute of Ayurvedic Studies and Research, Pangod, Kollam, Kerala, India. Today we are going to practice Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam, the alternate nostril breathing. For the beginners, technique 1. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam is a balancing and purifying pranayama. It is also called Anulom Vilom. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam is supposed to be the first in the series of pranayamas. So, for clarity, much explanations needed before the practice. Nadis are the astral tubes or channels through which the subtle life force passes. In our body, there are 72,000 nadis. Of these, Ida, Pingala and Sushumna are the major nadis. Ida flows from the left side of the Mooladhara and ends at the right side of the brain. It is passive, introvert and feminine in nature. It is called Chandra Nadi. Pingala flows from the right side of the Mooladhara and ends at the left side of the brain. It is active, extrovert and masculine in nature. It is called Surya Nadi. The balanced flow of Ida and Pingala, the yin-yang forces influence the whole functions of human beings. When these two nadis are purified, Sushumna, the nadi of spiritual awakening, will be opened up, and this will pave the way to elevate human beings into super consciousness. To support this view, Gairanda Samhita says, Adhada Sambravakshyami Pranayamasya Sadvidhim Yasya Sadhana Matrena Devadulyom Bhavennaraha. That means, by the proper practice of pranayama, human beings becomes God or Deva. So, the human body becomes the abode of God, Deva Sharira or Deva Deham. Hadayoga Pradipika also says, Pranayamen Yukten Sarvaroga Chayo Bhavet Ayukta Abhyasa Yogen Sarvaroga Samudbhavaha. All diseases are eradicated through the proper practice of pranayama, and all diseases will arise through improper practices. So, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam brings wonderful benefits to the practitioners. It improves the lung capacity, oxygen rich blood will be supplied to brain, lungs, heart and all organs of our body. It calms, purifies and activates the whole nervous systems, and it balances and harmonizes the left and right brain hemispheres. It reduces stress, tension and anxiety, improves memory and concentration. It eliminates the free radicals from the whole body systems. It balances the three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. It releases all blocks from the whole systems, and the regular practice of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam brings permanent solution for migraine, insomnia, headache and psychosomatic problems, neurological problems, acidity, so on and so forth. So, it is a passage from illness to wellness. Very few contraindications are there. During fever, cold, flu and blocked sinus, the practice is not suggested. Time for the practice. The ideal time for the practice is Brahma Muhurtam, that is 3:30 to 6 am. At other times 3 to 4 hours after the food. The place for the practice. The place selected for the practice should be clean, free from too much hot and cold. Mode of practice. Stage 1, yogic breathing or Vibhagiya Shasana. First abdominal breathing, second thoracic breathing, third the clavicular breathing. Second stage is single nostril breathing, inhalation and exhalation through the same nostril. Here in this technique, one can count mentally Om for inhalation and exhalation, like for inhalation Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. For exhalation the same 5 counts. Stage 3, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama with 1:1 ratio. That means inhalation and exhalation equal counts. Posture for the practice. The preferred posture for the practice is either Siddhasana or Padmasana, but any meditative posture can be adopted like Swastikasana, Vajrasana, Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. Two mudras are adopted for the practice. Left hand in Chin Mudra, that is the tips of the thumb and index finger should be joined together and extend the three fingers in a relaxed way and has to be kept on the left knee. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra, that is the index and middle finger are to fold towards the foot of the right thumb and the ring and little finger are to be extended, and the right thumb is used for closing the right nostril and the ring and little finger used for closing the left nostril. The 5 fingers are electric circuits. The 5 fingers represent 5 elements. Pancha Bhutas. The thumb represents the Agni Tattva, the fire element. The index finger represents the Vayu Tattva, the air element, and the middle finger represents the Akasha Tattva, the space element, and the ring finger represents the Prithvi Tattva, earth element, and the little finger represents the Jala Tattva, the water element. Now let us begin the practice. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture, preferably Siddhasana or Padmasana. Keep the spine and head upright, relax the shoulders, face muscles relaxed. Keep a smile on your face and keep the eyes closed. Adopt Chin Mudra in both hands. Keep your body still like a statue till the end of the practice for the free flow of prana. Now stage 1, yogic breathing. Here inhalation slowly and deeply, allowing the abdomen to expand fully and start to expand the thoracic region and then the clavicular region. The whole process should be in one continuous movement. In exhalation, the clavicular and chest region will be contracted and pulling the abdominal wall towards the spine. Now, inhale deeply in a rhythmic way, fill the 3 lobes and exhale slowly, completely out in the same rhythmic way. 4 more times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Practice 5 to 10 rounds before beginning Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Now get ready to do stage 2, single nostril breathing. First inhale and exhale through the left nostril 5 times and then inhale and exhale through the right nostril 5 times. The rate of inhalation and exhalation should be normal. Place your left hand on the knee in Chin Mudra and right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Inhale deeply through both nostrils and when you exhale completely, close your right nostril with the thumb. And inhale through the left nostril, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Exhale through the same nostril, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Now close your left nostril with the ring and little finger. Open the right nostril. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Relax. Hand on the knee in Vishnu Mudra. Relax. Breathe in your own rhythm. Now stage 3, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama with the ratio of 1:1. In this stage, the basic pattern of alternate nostril breathing is established. Begin with equal inhalation and exhalation with the ratio of 1:1. Now inhale deeply through both nostrils, and when you exhale completely, close your right nostril with the thumb and inhale through the left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Close the left with the ring and little finger. Open the right. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale through the right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Close the right with the thumb. Open the left. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. This is one round. 2 more rounds. Inhale through the left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Close the left. Open the right. Exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale through the right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Close. Left exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Close. Right exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Inhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Close. Left exhale. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5. Relax. Keep your right hand on the knee in Chin Mudra. Breathe normally. Practice 5 to 10 rounds regularly. After 1 week, if there is no difficulty, increase the length of inhalation and exhalation by 1 count until the count of 10:10 is reached. If you are not able to inhale and exhale for 5 counts that we have done now, you may begin with the 3 or 4 counts and increase the count according to your comfortable way. Whenever you feel any slightest discomfort during the practice, you may simply stop the practice and relax. Now take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Bring your attention to your body, breath and surroundings. You may gently open your eyes. Good. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama for the intermediate will be released in my next video. If this video was helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.